Good evening guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight guys, I will make a different viand. Or ulam. Kailangan kong kumain ng healthy guys kasi I'm so hard working or workaholic. So let's go, I'll show you guys what's my ingredients. I have first guys, malunggay, century tuna flakes in oil, ginger, garlic, onion, and tomato. Let's go. Painit na ta guys. A little bit cooking oil. Na guys, first I put is ginger, then onion, garlic. Anyway guys, iba-iba ang tao pag nagluto kung ano yung iuna nating ilagay. The reason why bakit late na yung garlic kasi mas madali masunog yung garlic. Diba? Tomato. Century tuna. Fresh black pepper. Lagyan natin ng water. Have to wait na mag-boiled na siya guys para ilagay natin yung last ingredients. So ni-boiled na siya guys. Lagay natin malunggay nga tandalatutak. Diba? So konti lang sinabaw ko. Still have laya. Okay. So, kaunti lang salt nilagay ko guys kay kung maalat kay mahidap na pakuluin lang siya guys. Then done. How much the life of Maringay? Kulo na yan. Diba? That's it. May rice ako. Ito yung dinner na late guys. Super late. Kasi dami kong ginagawa. Dami kong baik-ikan sa life. Pero okay lang, healthy yung dinner ko guys. Ilang ulam ko na to. Ganon kasi ako magluto guys. Hindi lang isang kainan yung lutuin ko. Minsan 5 meals pa. Nahanap ko yung my gosh, sarap guys. Good luck. Masarap na to para sa akin guys. Allah, sorry. Buti na lang fiber yung kinakain ko guys kasi late na ang dinner ko. Hindi maganda pag late na ang dinner. Hindi naman to heavy dinner guys kasi vegetables. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.